Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 13 September 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Grayscale has made waves by launching the first US XRP Trust, a closed-end fund that offers select investors exposure to XRP, the digital asset linked to Ripple's cross-border payment system. This move has sparked renewed discussions about the possibility of an XRP ETF, following Grayscale's successful Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF transitions. The XRP Trust is part of Grayscale's strategy to leverage the growing interest in XRP, especially after Ripple's legal victory against the SEC. This development could potentially boost institutional investment in XRP, enhancing its legitimacy in the financial world. eToro, a well-known stock trading platform, is significantly scaling back its cryptocurrency offerings in the US after settling with the SEC. The SEC accused eToro of operating as an unregistered brokerage and clearing agency. As part of the settlement, eToro will pay a $1.5 million fine and restrict trading to Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ether, while allowing US customers to sell other crypto assets for up to 180 days. This move aligns with the SEC's intensified enforcement actions against crypto firms, which have resulted in nearly $4.7 billion in penalties this year alone. Coinbase has introduced cbBTC, an ERC20 token backed one-to-one by Bitcoin, enabling BTC holders to access DeFi applications on the Base and Ethereum ecosystems. This new token is already available on platforms like Aerodrome, Curve Finance, Aave, and Compound. To celebrate the launch, users can mint a special NFT through Coinbase's wallet. However, Coinbase warns users to be cautious of fraudulent actors and provides official contract addresses for verification. This initiative marks a significant step in integrating Bitcoin with decentralized finance. Succinct Labs has unveiled OP Succinct, a solution that simplifies the integration of zero-knowledge rollups into existing OP stack chains. This advancement allows for a seamless upgrade to ZK proofs in just 1 hour, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution for developers. The integration process is modular, requiring minimal coding, and is compatible with existing deployments. Developers are encouraged to explore deployment options, with more information available on Succinct's website. An insightful article titled Trusted Enclaves delves into the role of trusted execution environments, TEEs, in enhancing data security within cryptocurrency and blockchain applications. TEEs provide isolated execution and memory encryption, crucial for protecting sensitive data. The article highlights TEEs' potential to complement blockchain technology, offering privacy and processing power for complex computations. Despite their benefits, TEEs face challenges such as trusted setup requirements and vulnerability to side-channel attacks. The article emphasizes TEEs' potential to drive innovation in crypto applications. Castle Island Ventures and Brevin Howard Digital have released a study on stablecoin usage in emerging markets like Brazil, India, Indonesia, Nigeria, and Turkey. The study reveals that stablecoins are increasingly used as digital dollar equivalents for remittances, cross-border payments, and savings, indicating a shift from their initial crypto-centric use. The report combines survey data with on-chain analytics, highlighting stablecoins' growing importance in these financial ecosystems. EigenLays has introduced the EigenLayer Security Model, a framework designed to enhance decentralized services operation and security. This model focuses on operator sets, total stake, and unique stake to create economically aligned incentives for operators and stakers. The model addresses previous shortcomings by isolating slashing risks and ensuring guaranteed slashable stakes, offering enhanced control and flexibility for operators. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and analysis. Until then, stay informed and stay crypto-savvy.